The stunning 4,500 square foot condo will leave you feeling a permanent sense of vacation. Located on hole number 1 of Michigan's award-winning golf course, The Preserve. Bay Harbor, Michigan is paradise in the Midwest. Enjoy waterfront dining in the village, local music, boating, or golfing in this idyllic location. The condo itself offers an open floor plan, perfect for entertaining guests. The kitchen features granite countertops, a walk-in pantry, and stainless steel appliances. High-vaulted ceilings, Brazilian hardwood floors, and a fireplace that provides cozy luxury. Master suite includes California closets, massive bay windows, and a walkout to the deck, wherever the views of the golf course pair perfectly with that first cup of coffee in the morning. The master bathroom includes both tub and shower, his and her sinks, and ample storage. The finished lower level boasts a comfortable shared lounge as well as a custom-designed Jack and Jill style bathroom. The home is accompanied by extensive amenities, 2.5-car garage, gated community, sprinkled grounds, and a year-round professional exterior maintenance. They say up north doesn't have to be where you go to get away just once a year. It could be home.